gonna snow tomorrow. That's scary here in Georgia. I'm off to the store, so I gotta get my milk and bread. So you just wait. I'm gonna show you what the stores are gonna look like when I get there. Probably empty because it's 2:48. People probably done been at the store since 8 o'clock this morning or since yesterday getting their milk and bread. But me, I'm kind of like, it's probably going to do nothing and it's going to be a waste of time. Though I am out of groceries, so I need to go anyway. Okay, please hold. When I get to the store, I'll turn this back on and show you the empty shelves. Okay, I'm here at Kroger, and I have to park at the end of the parking lot because, yeah, it's crowded, like I expected. Alright. I hate grocery shopping. I hate it.
Grab one. Go ahead.
Was awful. There was no buggies. I had to go to the parking lot and find me a buggy. When I went in, it was crowded. You couldn't even get down the aisles. Did I look stressed? I feel stressed. Got me a banana and a Coke. I need a snack after that because now I gotta go get gas because the world is ending.